What is Walter up to today? Something's burning. Some time ago I bought this smoker and have not used it. I pulled her out today, cleaned the inside, get all the manufacturer's grease and crud out of there, dried it with an air hose and coated everything with a nice coat of oil. We done fired off some wood in there to get it burning. I want to get the whole thing coated with a nice coat of protective smoke, and maybe it won't rust so bad. Ooh, got smoke in my eyes already and ain't even open the lid. Good Lord, that's burning good. Cut back on the fire a little bit. We'll slow her down. That booger is cooking. Didn't realize how sensitive I am to that smoke. It's blowing upwind straight towards me. Paint's peeling off of it. Oklahoma Joe was cooking around 700 degrees. I didn't realize the door had blowed wide open. Still getting plenty of air. And it's so hot it was burning the paint off the smoker. We're gonna let that burn a few hours, and come Memorial Day, I think I'm gonna put me a hunk of meat on there. Smoke me up some pork. What do you think, viewers? Give me some thumbs up. Click like, subscribe. Memorial Day, I think we're going to throw a pork butt on here, maybe some ribs, something else maybe. Oh yeah, I cut way back on the fire that time. I don't guess it hurts anything. I burnt some of the paint off of it. I could always put some more on there. Temperature dropped down to 450 now, simply by lower closing up the door. It's all a learning curve that I have to develop. I learned how to work this booger bear. I think we're going to be able to get some enjoyment out of this smoker. Gotta go check my fire. Might as well take the wood toter machine with me in case I need to add some firewood. Some of that oak tree limb I chopped up last year. Burns pretty good in the smoker. By George, we got the temperature down to 325. That is some kind of perfect. Whole lot better than 600. warm today. Basically what I accomplished today was treat my smoker. I'll conclude my video today by showing it to you. Yeah, my whole method to my madness today was to treat my smoker. Remember, it was just raw metal like this lip here. Look at that shiny black coating. I coated that booger bear with vegetable oil. And the fire ain't gone out yet, so I can't put it away yet. But that's going to dry up nice, like the inside of a cast iron frying pan. I cleaned all the old grease and crud out of there from the manufacturer. Oh yeah, I got hot coals in there. It'll last another hour and a half. Can't put it in the garage still burning, being smoked up the house. But that's looking really good. I am impressed. Done real good over here too, except for one spot. Started out with my fire too hot, and I burnt the paint off here a little bit. But that was inevitable anyway. But we're going to be ready to throw a hunk of meat on here Memorial Day. Might put 2 or 3 different kinds of meat on here. Boy, I can smell it almost now. Well, I can smell the smoke. My wife said I smell like barbecue when I come in the house a while ago. Anyway, thanks for tuning in today, my friends.